Clever hacks for watering plants while you're away are about to change your life. First up, the bottle method. Fill a bottle with water, flip it upside down, then push it into the soil. The water will gradually seep out, keeping your plant hydrated. Ever heard of the string method? Soak a piece of string in water, place one end in your plant's soil, and the other end in a water-filled container. Capillary action does the rest. And the towel method? Dampen a towel, drape it over your sink, put your plants on top, and let the roots sip as needed. Now, you can go on vacation stress-free, knowing your leafy friends are well cared for. Another ingenious trick for when you're away is the ice cube method. This is particularly useful for smaller indoor plants. All you need to do is place a few ice cubes on the soil around your plant. Over time, these cubes will slowly melt, providing a gradual and consistent source of water for your plant. This slow release of water is perfect for keeping your plants hydrated without the risk of overwatering. So next time you're heading out of town, don't forget to give your green buddies a nice cooling ice cube treat. Moving on to our third hack, we introduce the unconventional yet effective diaper method. Believe it or not, a standard diaper can become your plant's best friend when you're away. The super absorbent material inside a diaper has the ability to hold a substantial amount of water and release it slowly over time. Here's how it works. Simply place a clean diaper at the bottom of the pot, then add soil and your plant as usual. The diaper acts as a mini reservoir, keeping the soil moist and your plant hydrated while you're away. So next time you change a diaper, think twice before you toss it away. It might just be the perfect solution for your watering woes. Transitioning from the diaper method, let's explore an ingenious technique known as the plastic bag greenhouse. This method leverages the science of evaporation and condensation to keep your plants hydrated. Here's how you do it. Take a clear plastic bag and cover your plant with it, ensuring it's fully enclosed. As the plant transpires, the water vapor condenses on the inner surface of the bag, creating a self-sustaining water cycle within this mini ecosystem. The condensed water droplets will then fall back onto the plant, keeping it hydrated in your absence. So the next time you're away, just remember, your plant's survival could be a plastic bag away. Moving on from our plastic bag greenhouse, let's dive into the world of watering globes. These are not only functional but also add an aesthetic touch to your plant care routine. To use a watering globe, first fill it up with water, then carefully insert the stem of the globe into the soil near your plant. The globe will gradually release water into the soil, providing a steady supply of hydration to your plant while you're away. It's an excellent choice for those who want to combine style with substance in their plant care. With the watering globe, you can ensure your plants are well taken care of, even when you're not around. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe if you want more updates on plants.